So once you get to this point with changing out the Firebox mod, you pull out both of these. Take this one out, and then this is just loose in there. And then as far as everything going back in, just have this setting in there. And then looks like I'm gonna need both hands here. Like so. Put this on top. And then slide your other pieces down in there. I just put this one in over here. It just snug fits in there. It's too tight going in there, you might have to try and slide it back and forth a little bit. Okay, if you have trouble getting it down in there, here, pull this side out, push this in, and push down till this, your piece here hits that, and then swivel this over, and then it should go right down in.